Hi, and welcome to my channel where I document my real day trading journey. The good, the bad, and the boring. Today is Thursday, December 18, 2025. I'll be trading Palantir stock ticket symbol PLTR on the 1 minute time frame. One trade, one time frame, one trade a day if my setup appears. My goal is to simplify trading as much as possible to fit my personality and my lifestyle. So I intentionally eliminate noise that I personally don't believe is necessary to succeed in the market. This channel is about the process, discipline, and consistency. No hype. This is for education purpose only. The red line is the high of yesterday and the green line is the low of yesterday. And the other red lines are the high of the other days, the preview days. All right. So we got in the trade 8:44. The target hit at 9:23. So 9:23. So like what? 30 minutes almost, maybe more, like 45 minutes in this trade. Okay, let's recap. This one, it took a long time, and I even think I put the target in the wrong area. I think the target here, because if I got here, if my entry was here, yeah, I think I messed it up the target. Well, it is what it is. I just noticed now where my entry was. Anyways, so the reason I went bullish is because it started to look very bullish. Of course, I put this pivot here, the first two touches, I was thinking going bearish first, but this was not necessary. I like to see like touch, come back, touch, reject. Oh, oops. Hate when this thing happens. Okay, let's see. So this was not like a second touch to me, but it worked. But I was bullish because I like to take the trades based like reading the price action, use trend lines, resistance, support, wedges, channels, break, and stuff like that. So I didn't count this as a touch, so I was still bullish. And touch here, rejected, touch, reject, touch, reject. Oh my God, again. This is so annoying. Okay, let's see. I don't know why this is happening. So like I was saying, so touch, reject, and broke the fourth pattern of the day, which my bias was bullish. So it broke this. So you could wait for the retest over here, but I just like to sometimes I even enter in this area here when it breaks, because unfortunately my stop was large. This time was large because I like to put my stop under the bar. The form's not right here, but I give more room to it. So I have a lot of space to it, and my target is supposed to be here, not here. So anyways, this one was a struggle. So I ended up, got closer to my stop, and then put this trend line here, and then it broke this another trend line. I said, well, it looks very bullish. And I was just following up with some trend lines. It kept breaking the mini trend lines that I was putting here, but to me it's still very bullish. And I'm gonna put this pattern here, tails, bottom tails. So the buyers are stepping up in this area, so I was very confident that I was gonna hit my target, at least to this area. And then after I hit it, I noticed then I put my target in the wrong. So at the moment I'm shooting for 1-to-1, but this one was a large. But it doesn't stop you very often if you put under here, if you correct most of the time in your direction. But like I said, like I always say, so everything's possible. This is based on my tracking, what I've been trading. So it's been working, and most of my target go to 2R. Well, my tracking suggests that I'll hold for 10R, 10R, right? But my personality doesn't allow at the moment, so I'm gonna have to do 1-to-1 for now, and then eventually I'm gonna do 2-to-1, because I can see my bias that was bullish because it's going towards to retest the high or some of these areas here. But see, I already had my 2R target, so I'm continuing tracking and doing the real-time trading to practice my confidence, because tracking is one thing, but when you do real-time, it's different. So your emotions get in the way. So that's why you have to track in the real data first. And eventually I'm probably gonna do, so far that I'm seeing, I'm probably gonna do 2-to-1, put my stop under the first bar that opens if I'm bullish. If I'm bearish, I put my stop here. If it comes up here, stop me out, it invalidate, because it means I was wrong in the direction. That's all what it is. Yeah, so it went to 2R or more here in this area. So this is it for today. So I follow my rules and I accept what the market gave, not forcing, not adding, not chasing. This is what progress looks like for me right now. And trade complete. And as always, process over profits, discipline over dopamine. Thanks for watching.